the next mantra. So till now, it was more like bhakti, but the actual jnana portion comes from here. This mantra says, Indraha me medham dadatu. Devi Saraswati me medham dadatu. Pushkarasraja Ashwinau ubhau medham me adhattam. Now, Indraha me medham dadatu. So the mantra says, May Indra give me medha. Why the mantra is praying to Indra? Now we should understand who Indra is actually. Again, for that, we will look into the meaning of the word Indra, the etymology of the word Indra, then it becomes easy. So, Nirukta is etymology. It is one of the 6 Vedangas. Vedas have to be studied along with the Vedangas. Only then proper study happens. It is called Sangopanga Adhyayanam. That is what we should do. Because otherwise, in the Nirukta, Yaskacharya says, Vritra, there is a demon called Vritra. Aitihasika, those who study Purana, they will say Vritra is a demon. But an etymologist knows Vritra, what Vritra is actually. Vritra is nothing but a cloud. If you read it like a story, you will feel Vritra is one demon, and Indra with his weapon, which is thunderbolt, he killed the Vritra and Lokamangalam happened. But if you see the etymology, Vrinute iti Vritra, that which covers is Vritra. So cloud covers the water and Indra hits it with the thunderbolt and then the rain happens. So that is Lokamangalam. So if we look at the etymology, we understand truly what it is. So for Indra, the etymology is Indriyanam Raja Indraha. He is the Lord of the senses. We have 10 Indriyas, Pancha Jnanendriyas, which are Shrotram, Chakshuhu, Ghranam, Jihva, tongue, and Twak, skin, and 5 Karmendriyas, Vak, speech, Pani, hands, Padav, legs, Payu is the anus, and Upastha is the genitals. So Indra is the one who controls this. We have our Shastras also say Ekadasham cha Manaha. There is the 11th one, that is Manas. So, and the Manas is the one which controls everything. So Indra is nothing but our mind. Indra is the mind. Mind is only called Indra. So we are praying to the mind. Oh mind, give me Medha. The mind has the ability to do anything for us. When we ask for it, it will do it. Then the mantra says, Devi Saraswati me medham dadatu. We are praying to Devi Saraswati to give us medha. Again, we should understand who Saraswati is. If you see this word Saraswati, it has this vati ending. They are called pratyayas in Sanskrit. They are suffixes. There is a suffix called matu pratyaya. When we add matu pratyaya, it gives the meaning as one who possesses it. You would have heard this blessing, very common blessing, Saubhagyavati Bhava. So what we are, there also you see this vati. Saubhagyavati is one who possesses all the saubhagyas, all the prosperities. Saraswati is one who possesses the saras. Saras means speech. She is Vagdevi, so one who possesses speech. But saras also means flow. It is from the root word sru, which means to flow. That is why the name of the river is Saraswati, because she possesses that flow. But why is the goddess named Saraswati? Because Saraswati is nothing but the flow of inspiration from a higher plane into this intellect. That is what Saraswati is. In the Vedas, in the Puranas, Saraswati is represented as wife of Brahma, but in the Vedas, it's not like that. In the Vedas, Saraswati is always accompanied by 2 more goddesses, Ila and Mahi. Ila is the goddess of revelation. So Saraswati always comes with them, with the 2 of them. Ila is the goddess of revelation. Revelation could be a solution to a problem. It could be an idea coming in your mind. It could be divine visions, all that come under revelations. And Mahi is the goddess of spaciousness. So for Saraswati to flow, there should be space in our mind. That is represented by Mahi. How do we create space in our mind? By reducing the thoughts. And how do we reduce thoughts? We have to do meditation and also work on our breath. Now, the next thing which the mantra says is, Pushkarasraja Ashwinau Ubhau Medham Me Adhattam. May the Ashwini Kumaras bless us with Medha. Again, who are these Ashwini Kumaras? In the Vedas or in any Sanskrit literature, always these Ashwini Kumaras are together. They are twins, and never you will see them addressed in singular. In all languages, there is singular and plural. In Sanskrit, we have singular, dual, and plural. These Ashwini Kumaras are always addressed in dual. So who are they actually? Any guesses? If you have, you can put in the chat. Ashwini Kumaras are nothing but our breath, inhalation and exhalation. In some places, I have read they are the nostrils, two nostrils, but they are the inhalation and exhalation. Another name for the Ashwini Devatas is Nasatyav or Dasrav. These are other names for them. If you take this word Nasatyav and if you split it, it is Na plus Asatyav. Satyam is truth, Asatyam is untruth, and Na Asatyam, double negation. So again, it is truth. Double negation is used to make the point even more stronger. So Nasatyav means they are always truthful. Emotions we can hide from other people, but the breath will never lie. So they represent truth. Nasatyav can also be split this way. Nasa plus tya. They are born from the nose. So that is why Nasatyav. And Dasrav means Dasyataha means they throw. What do they throw? Rogan Dasyataha. They throw diseases. So through our breath, we can throw unwanted things from the body. So that is another name for the Ashwini Kumaras. These two are said to, they bless us with health and also with energy and youth. There is a story in the Puranas where Chavana Rishi, he was blessed by these Ashwini Kumaras and he became a youth. That means to say that and that is why that Chavana Prash got the name, that name is from that story. So that means to say that the story says with our breath, we can remain youthful and energetic. So that is the power of breath. So here we are praying to the Ashwini Kumaras. So that third mantra, it addresses Indra for stable mind. It addresses Saraswati for stable intellect. And it addresses the Ashwini Kumaras for stable body. So whole thing is taken care of in this mantra.